Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Our today's video is about atoms. Yes, atom. What is an atom? Basically, the word atom is derived from the word atmos, which means uncuttable. That means atom is small enough that you cannot divide it further into parts. What is atom in real? You see, we have thousands of things around us like gases, solids, liquids, and all these and other things are made up of atom. Now see one example. What do we need to construct any building? Yes, we need bricks to make any building or house. As brick is the smallest and most initial part that we need to make any construction, similarly, atoms are the main and the smallest part to make any element. That means everything in the universe are made up of these tiny atoms. Up till now, we have seen that atom is the smallest part of any matter. But what is matter? In science, anything in the universe that has mass and occupies some space is known as matter. Anything like water, like metals, all these things have some mass and they do occupy some space. So, they are known as matter. Then, whatever is the shape of matter, either it is solid, liquid, gas, or in the shape of plasma, it is made up of small atoms. Now, there will be one question in your mind. What is the size of an atom? Size of the atom is 100 picometer. This is small enough that you cannot see them with bare eyes. Now, everything in the universe is made up of atoms. But what is an atom made up of? Atoms are made up of three things: electron, proton, and neutron. Proton and neutron remains in the center of the atom, which is called nucleus, while there are orbits around the nucleus, and the electrons revolve in those orbits, like as our planets revolve around the sun. Now, the question arises on the origin of an atom. As you all know, our world is a result of an explosion. Right after that explosion, all atomic particles began to form like electron, proton, and neutron. As they were forming, another process known as nucleosynthesis was also initiated. According to the process, nucleuses are formed, which means that protons and neutrons are combined to make an entity. But still, you cannot say them atoms until electrons do not get combined with the nucleus. And this state is called plasma. To further elaborate the concept, look, there is positive charge on protons and there is no charge on neutrons. So, the charge of the nucleus is positive, while the charge of electrons is negative. They roam with each other in plasma state but not yet combined. So, you cannot say them an atom. As after the explosion, things get started to cool down, the opposite signs of the nucleus and electrons started to attract each other. Then finally, they made an atom. Hence, all the things in the universe are made up of atoms. But if we compare two different things, then their atoms would also be different, like an iron rod and a log. They are unique things and therefore their atoms are different. Similarly, if we compare two identical things, then their atoms will also be same. Like if iron rod is compared to the iron rod, these two will be having same atoms. So, I hope we have gained enough about atoms. We will see further in our next video, inshallah. So till then, Allah Hafiz, and do subscribe our YouTube channel.